Awesome, I'm really excited that you went ahead and grabbed the download for Cobra. It's a really awesome pack. The download link should be on this page, so make sure you grab it on desktop. If you're on mobile, just save the page, and it's also sent to your email address, so you'll have a direct download there as well. So let's talk about a few important things coming up. The first thing is that you should be using this pack nonstop now, because we're actually hosting the King of Beats beat contest, which we're really excited about. The prizes are fucking insane. Literally, we have a $2,000 cash prize. We're giving away an entire studio setup. Not to mention, we're literally flying out the winner out to Atlanta to come hang out with the Cymatics team. So it's actually a great opportunity to test your skills and see if you can come up with the beat and actually be better than everybody else. So I'm really excited about that. All right, the second thing is I've actually included the links to all the different videos from the 7-day beat making challenge. And the reason is that if you're downloading this new pack and you want to refresh all your skills, this challenge is actually a 7-day full video series that gives you training for every single little elements when it comes to making hip hop beats and trap production. It's actually a really great series, and I highly suggest you check it out. I just wanted to include that on this page. And the third thing is that Viper is right around the corner. Literally, Cobra is a small teaser to really what we have coming, because we've been saving up a lot of great stuff for Viper, getting in the studio with literally hundreds of different world-class musicians, not to mention our team for this thing is absolutely enormous. And what we're gonna be doing is we're bringing you guys a resource unlike anything we've ever done before. So be on the lookout for that. Anyways, I can't wait to see what you do with Cobra. I know you're gonna make some awesome beats, and look out for that contest. Peace.